Let's now discuss Yang Wei Mai, or the Yang linking vessel classical indications. Chapter 29 of the Classic of Difficulties says, when the Yang linking vessel is diseased, there is an alternation of feeling of heat and feeling of cold and irritability. Chapter 41 of the Simple Question says, the Yang linking vessel causes backache with sudden swelling. Needle the point on the dividing muscle of the calf on the bladder channel 1 foot above the ground. This point is probably bladder 57. Li Shizhen says, when there is sweating, aversion to cold, fever, and the pulse is floating on the front and weak on the rear position, it indicates a disease of the Yang linking vessel. The Golden Mirror of Medicine lists the following symptoms of the Yang linking vessel: swelling and pain of the limbs, cold knees, paralysis of the limbs, with headache, bone and muscle problems of the back and loins, ache in the head, neck, and around eyebrows, hot limbs, numbness of limbs, night sweating, red and swollen eyes, spontaneous sweating during an invasion of wind cold, feeling of heat superficially. Classical indications for the Yang linking vessel. Classic of difficulties, there is alternation of feeling of heat and feeling of cold and irritability. According to the simple questions, there will be backache with sudden swelling. According to Liz, she is Jen, there is sweating, aversion to cold, fever, pulse floating, and on the front and weak on the rear position. According to Golden Mirror of Medicine, there will be swelling and pain of the limbs, cold knees, paralysis of limbs, wind headache, bone and muscle problems of the back and loins, ache in the head, neck, and around eyebrows, hot limbs, numbness of limbs, night sweating, red and swollen eyes, spontaneous sweating during an invasion of wind cold, the feeling of heat superficially. Here we have a case history of a boy of 12 who had a middle ear infection, and the Yang linking vessel was used using triple burner 5 on the left and gallbladder 41 on the right, producing a complete cure. The Yang Wei Mai function. Yang Wei Mai connects all Yang channels. Yang deficiency causes a deficient Yang Wei Mai. The direction of the qi of the flow of Yang Wei Mai is the same as the Yang Chao Mai. Yang Wei Mai is able to drain fire in the gallbladder and liver. Yang Wei Mai nourishes the sides of the trunk, the lateral legs, as well as the lateral areas of the neck, head, and the ears. Yang Wei Mai disperses wind cold and wind heat. Yang Wei Mai symptoms. There will be fever with chills, pain or feeling of heaviness in the head, bitter taste in the mouth, difficult hearing, aversion to wind, neck pain, hypochondriac pain, hip pain, and lateral leg pain. Now let's go to Yang Wei Mai palpation. Palpation of the gallbladder channel along the iliotibialis tract and along the gallbladder channel pathways of the head. Next, okay. Yang Wei Mai point pair. Its confluent point is triple burner 5, coupled point with the Chong Mai. Its coupled point is gallbladder 41. This is also the Chong Mai confluent point. The following Sangfu disease patterns can appear similar to Yang Wei Mai problems and have to be properly differentiated. Wind heat in the lungs, wind cold in the lungs, liver wind, liver fire, and damp heat in the gallbladder. First, let's talk about wind, heat, in the lungs. The defense Wei Qi of the lungs is fighting against the invasion of wind and heat pathogenic factors. Wind heat in the lungs can be a reaction to wind cold in the lungs. Its cardinal symptoms are acute cough with yellow sputum, aversion to wind and heat, infection with fever, and sore throat. In wind cold in the lungs, here the defense or Wei Qi of the lungs is fighting against the invasion of wind and cold pathogenic factors. Cardinal symptoms, acute cough with watery or white sputum, aversion to wind and cold, sneezing, feeling chilly, and shivering. In liver wind arises from extreme yin-yang and qi blood imbalance. Hyperactive liver yang, liver blood deficiency or heat may all in extreme cases steer liver wind. The symptoms vary according to the cause. The cardinal symptoms of liver wind are hyperactive liver yang, liver blood deficiency or heat may all in extreme cases steer liver wind. The symptoms may vary according to the cause. There will be trembling, spasm, aversion to wind, sudden vertigo, and deviation of the tongue. In liver fire is an excess heat pattern and usually originates from liver qi stagnation. Cardinal symptoms. Symptoms of liver qi stagnation appear in conjunction with symptoms of liver fire. The presence of liver qi stagnation is the main characteristic to differentiate between liver fire and hyperactive liver yang, since they share the same cardinal symptoms. Irritability, severe vertigo, tinnitus with a high frequency tone, throbbing headache, migraine, conjunctivitis, redness of the eyes, red tongue edges. Next, we have damp heat in the gallbladder and the liver. Damp heat in the gallbladder and liver can result as a consequence of yin deficiency. Yin deficiency leads to heat, which causes the spirit to be restless. In order to compensate for the restlessness, the patient may eat dampness-producing foods, and damp heat in the gallbladder and liver is a result. For the cardinal symptoms, there is pain and fullness in the hypochondrium, pain in the testicles, jealousy, high-handed manner, jaundice, trouble digesting fatty foods, vaginitis, inflammation of the fallopian tubes, inflammation of the bile duct, inflammation of the gallbladder, bitter taste in the mouth, protrusion of the eyeballs, scrotal eczema with wetting lesions.